Okay, here's a good question. You're asked to express this as a sum or difference of logarithms. And I guess the question is, does it matter what way you split this up? Are you going to get the same answer at the end? Well, let's try a couple of different options. Like log base 2 of 48 is the same, say, as 24 times 2. Or we could say it's log base 2 of 8 times 6. Or log base 2 of 3 times 16. So there's lots of things that multiply to 48. But if I simplify these enough, I'm hoping at the end I'm going to come up with the same answer. I shouldn't say hoping. By rules, as long as I follow the right rules, I should come up with the same thing. Okay, so I could rewrite this one as log base 2 of 24 plus log base 2 of 2. But then 24 I could break down as well, right? It's like, I don't know, 6 times 4. Plus log base 2 of 2 is 1, right? So it's just 1. And then I could split this one up, log base 2 of 6 plus log base 2 of 4. Now log base 2 of 4 is 2, right? Oh, I have to put my 1 there. Log base 2 of 4 is 2, because to what exponent is 2 raised to get 4? You raise it to the second exponent. So this would just be a 2 plus 1. And then I have log base 2 of 6. Now 6 I could write as 3 times 2. So, and then I could split this to log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Now log base 2 of 2 is 1 plus log base 2 of 3, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. So I think the lowest you could get is log base 2 of 3 plus 4. Let's see if, say this one, I can get the same kind of thing. So this would be log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 16. Log base 2 of 3 I can't do anything with, but I'll bet the answer to that is 4. To what exponent is 2 raised to get 16? It would be 4. I could rewrite this as log base 2 of 2 to the 4th, because 2 to the 4th, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, so 4 of them. And log base 2 of 3. And so the answer to this whole thing is just plain 4. So it doesn't matter how you break it up. As long as you keep breaking it down until the very end, you should come up with the exact same answer either way.